Voiceover. Script. In Ukraine, a country enduring the relentless impacts of war, the atmosphere is charged with tension. Since the onset of military aggression in 2022, external threats loom large, with border regions facing constant bombardment and cities deeper within the country grappling with the fear of missile strikes and drone attacks. As the nation stands united against this external adversity, a troubling reality unfolds within its borders. Amidst this backdrop, systemic violations of human rights have emerged, often perpetrated by those tasked with upholding the law. Territorial recruitment centers and police forces have been implicated in numerous incidents that challenge the very fabric of constitutional guarantees. Citizens, particularly men of conscription age, find themselves in precarious situations where their freedom of movement is severely restricted. Reports of illegal detentions on the streets of urban areas have become alarmingly common, highlighting a disturbing trend of ordinary people encountering the very structures meant to protect them. This juxtaposition presents a grim absurdity. Individuals are caught in a double bind, facing both the external threat of war and the internal pressures of state enforcement. Citizens navigate their daily lives under the shadow of apprehension, often avoiding public spaces, fearing encounters with representatives of security forces. The very institutions designed to safeguard rights and freedoms appear to be contributing to a climate of fear and uncertainty. As documented incidents accumulate, the reality on the ground becomes increasingly stark. Videos shared by witnesses reveal a pattern of disregard for civil liberties, where the enforcement of laws is frequently accompanied by aggression. In this environment, the principles of justice and protection become obscured, and the rights guaranteed by the Constitution seem to lose their meaning in practice. The ongoing conflict has not only reshaped the landscape of Ukraine, but also redefined the relationship between citizens and the state. The struggle for human rights continues amidst the chaos, with many ordinary people left to navigate a reality where their freedoms are challenged by both external enemies and internal enforcement. This situation underscores the complexity of life in a country at war, where the fight for basic rights persists even as the threat of violence looms large.
Все, слились нахуй. Отбили пацана.
Так, це у нас 15:08, потерпілий підходить до скутера.
Оголошується загальнонаціональна хвилина мовчання. Це прояв поваги та вдячності захисникам і захисницям, які поклали життя за Україну. Слава Україні!
Я просто в ахуї.
Що це це? Перестаньте, така творити! Хлопці, ну перестаньте таке робити! Боже, що ти робиш? Ти як людину забираєш?
Так, іди сюди.
А тут поліція сама є.
Показав документи. На якій підставі його затримали? Покажи свою морду. Морду свою покажи. Покажи свою морду. Тут хуйове.